Hello. Do you want to learn complete local issue? Do you want to grow your local business? Do you want to get more phone call on your local service or local businesses? Then this complete playlist only for you. I'm making this complete playlist only for you because I'm a local issue expert. I'm also digital marketing expert. So let me show you my profile. I'm a top rated and in Fiverr and also Upwork is a top rated digital marketing specialist, and I also a digital agency owner. So from my experience, I'm making this complete playlist free for you. If you need any local issue service, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. It's very easy. So let's go. What we will learn? First of all, we will learn about importance of local issue and how it's help your business to grow, getting phone calls or inquiry. Then we will learn details in Google My Business profile, how to verify it, how to create it, how to optimize it, because one of the important factor to rank on local issue on map in Google My Business profile. Then we will optimize Google My Business profile NAP, consistency, name, address, phone number is also. Then we will learn how to research keyword for local SEO. We will learn how to find out proper keyword for you. Then we will also do on-page SEO for local SEO. So optimizing title, tag, meta description, content for local issue, creating locally relevant content. Then we will learn local business schema markup, and we will learn also citation and directory listing. Then we will create some building backlink for your local business and local service. Then Google reviews and reputation management, because it is very important to get a rank on Google My Business profile in the map. So how to get a reviews? There has a two method, is a legally and black hat method, white hat method and black hat method. Local content marketing, also you will learn mobile optimization for local issue, tracking local issue performance using Google Analytics, GMB inside local issue tool, measure the result, monitoring keyword ranking, traffic growth. Local issue multi-location businesses, if you have a similar type of businesses, various cities, various towns, then we can learn how to manage, optimize local issue. Advanced local issue technique we will learn, and also we will learn the common mistake in local issue. So this is a complete playlist. If you want to grow your local business, if you want to get rank in map, if any people search keyword in local intent, then this complete video only for you. Not forget to subscribe my channel and also comment in the below what you want from this playlist. Thank you so much for watching this video. I invite you to watch the next video. Thank you so much.